Hello guys, welcome to another video. Anyway, while looking on the wiring diagram, I noticed I'm missing the generator charge regulator. And also, believe it or not, there is a circuit breaker right here. I don't know what it looks like, or... Well, I know the general location. It's going to be on the driver's side. But that's about it. Anyway, next video, we're going to be testing out the starter. And eventually, all the wiring's going to be redone and color-coded. Yeah. The wiring is basically falling apart. Very much. It's wrapped in electrical tape and touching. So, yeah. That's going to be replaced. So, that should be it for this video. Like, subscribe, and comment. Have a nice day.